Data shows the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has now reached the highest level since the peak in November as the price of the crypto rallies up. As per the latest weekly report from Arcane Research, the BTC Fear and Greed Index has surged to values of greed sentiment this week. The Fear and Greed Index is an indicator that tells us about the current general market sentiment among Bitcoin investors. The metric uses a numeric scale that travels from 1 to 100 for representing this sentiment. All values above 50 signify that investors are greedy at the moment, while those below the cutoff suggest a fearful market. Values above 75 and below 25, that is, the values toward the ends of the range, represent extreme greed and extreme fear, respectively. Now, here is a chart that shows the trend in the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index over the past year. As you can see in the above graph, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has sharply risen over the past week. The indicator now has a value of 56, which shows the market is getting greedy. This value of the metric is now more than in any other period in the year 2022 so far, and is the highest since the peak in early November of last year. Related reading: Glassnode's RHODL ratio may suggest Bitcoin market is near capitulation. Historically, Bitcoin peaks have tended to happen while the sentiment is that of extreme greed, and bottoms have formed during periods of extreme fear. There is a popular trading technique called contrarian investing that makes use of this fact. Traders following this methodology think that the best time to buy is during extreme fear, while extreme greed is when one should sell.